Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Django. Today's we're going to be collecting static file and making our previous exercise work because we haven't made it work so far. We've only at the part where we've installed. How do you handle static files? So static files aren't handled by Django automatically if in your settings.py file debug equals to false. However, if debug equals to true, then obviously Django will have it no problem. But we're not going to have debug equals true in production. Therefore, in testing and programming in general, we're just going to keep it false. And so because of this, these static files have to be collected and put in a specified folder before we can use them. Now, collecting static file. To collect all of the necessary files, we're going to specify a static root property in settings.py. We're first going to do this by creating a folder named static files for production. Now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to go with this name. And in settings.py, we're going to have, static root, base directory, static files for production, static URL. Now, when you run the server, and you go to your testing browser address, you can see that the static file have been applied to template.html and everything works perfectly. So let's go ahead to my first project, go to members. We're looking for settings.py, which I'm mistaken that in the wrong folder. Now, when we're in it, we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for static URL. So let's scroll down. Okay, we have it over here, static URL. And up here, we're going to add static root equals to base directory over here. And then slash my static files for production. And then I'm just going to change the formatting a little bit, Control S to save, and let's go to the command prompt over here. But make sure that we are in the correct directory, okay? cd, there we go, and py manage.py collect static. So once we're done with that, 128 static files, copy to my static files for production, okay? Next up, we're going to run py manage.py run server. And then as you can see, the whole thing's pink. ID 3, first name Bean, last name Atkinson, same with Jess and Brown. And we have the phone number, join date as well, Jane, Honey, Kate, Hudson, and Strawberry Smith. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and donate to me using Ko-Fi, the link down in the description if you want. Learn today, better tomorrow. Next topic is going to be global static files. So make sure to tune into that and have a wonderful day.